Back at it again. Welcome to the Downers Food and Lifestyle channel. So this is where we gonna work a pine again. So what I'm thinking of doing with pine is just start buying a couple and freezing the pine. That's what I'm thinking of doing. This. So I go deep into the skin of the pine, where in which I don't have to go around and dress it again. Like cutting them like a small ears out. Because them the small ears of the pine, they call the eye of the pine, actually scratches the throat when you eat it. So we're just gonna cut it to a point where it gets everything one time. We're not putting up anything. So there you go. Pop that. Don't mind the arm thing. I'm waiting for some batteries to get here so I can literally change them batteries. Alright, so you know the pine skin thing work. Pine skin make pine drink. Pine, the pineapple itself, makes the juice. We got the juice from there. Inside is out. Not as sweet as I'd expect it to be, but it's okay. I may add some other stuff that I may want to use for it. Gotta work the skill level. So this has been consumed several different ways. So that is for the juice. Cut that off, drop that into the juice. Actually drop this into the juice too. Get a look at these. Yeah. Can't believe I've gone 1 week without eating meat. When I say without eating meat, I mean no meat whatsoever. Not even fish. All vegetable. And just fruit. But today, I'm going to do something different. Where I'm going to be enjoying some fish. And the fish that I'll be enjoying will be none other than Mr. Mackerel himself. So that's what happens when you have nice knives. They tend to deliver. Still kind of frozen, but knife just cut through and do its thing. Gonna take off the tail, and then we're gonna throw a cut all the way down. All the way down. So right now this is frozen, so we can literally pull the stuff out of it that easy without making a great big mess here. When you know, you know. Just clean fish with ease. So that's the guts of the fish. Just took out. Throwing that away. Get more. Parts of the fish. Now we pulling the gill out. So the gill is where the fish literally filters what comes inside of it. So no fish can drown. That stuff is funny. I heard people ask that question all the time. Can a fish drown? Nah, can't drown. How you gonna drown when you in water? Huh? See? It's one shot right there. Pull all that out. It's not needed. Fish is gutted. Very easy. I can do this regardless. Whether it's thawed out or not, but this just kind of get rid of a whole lot of messiness. So like right there, that's the gill. So that's all the gill. Frozen. Go back one more. And look at something here. Okay, so thought the gill were sitting more on one side when it was frozen. So here what? We get it back here. Some countries call the gill a delicacy, but I ain't gonna call it that because we cleans the fish. And there you go. More of the gill come out. I want to stretch back down in here. I want to grab a container. Oops, that comes out. That's okay. I'll do that. Do that. Do that. you know, it's a Caribbean thing. So because it's a Caribbean thing, we clean our meat with either or both. So I either do lime or lemon. I will do lemon, lime, or with vinegar. So, yeah. Wash that real nice. Wash that again real nice. Take all these seeds out. Man, I'll be planting seeds like crazy. But that's alright. I'll figure out what I do with these ones. I know I need at least 2 citrus fruits, 2 citrus seed, 2 citrus tree inside. I know I need a lemon. I know I need a lime. The orange can be good too because they give good scent. It's got a lot of seeds in it. So, you know they say it's a non-GMO stuff. When they loaded with seeds and they leave. Let me get these off the board. Let me get these off the board on here. And let's come back here again. So now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut pieces. After mackerel, and this is how it's gonna cook in the rundown with the cabbage, of course. That sound is haunting me, but I gotta wait until they get here with the batteries. See? That's how that works. Work really in it. this in the fridge until it's ready to be done. Fish. All diced up and ready. Alright. So now, as it go with a knife, these knives are not supposed to be placed in a basket or a washer. They're supposed to be washed and dried off and put back in a magnetic rack or in a rack or the rack you have, pretty much. Big man thing. Big bad man thing. Alright, let's get that back again. Put that back in right here. And yeah. Get this all washed up and too. So when I cook with fish, pretty much I don't have a scent left back in because the lemon or lime, which is a citrus, literally work that out. But there's no scent leave back. Yeah. So yeah, all we need now is to get most of these things out the washer because I'm playing Jenga at this point. Alright, so that's done. Yeah, that's done. Thank you for watching the Downers Food and Lifestyle channel. And yeah, welcome to the lemon world. Lemon, lime gets used on this place like crazy. Thank you again for watching the Downers Food and Lifestyle channel. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you again.